What would you say if I told you that camping could be as easy as ordering takeout? That you don't have to sleep on the ground, but you can sleep in a big queen bed. That you don't have to pack up and schlep or even set up all your gear because there's a company that can do that for you. And best of all, instead of going to sleep like this, you can go to sleep like this. So that's what I did. I'm Melanie Tucker, owner of Rare Finds Travel, and last night, less than 2 hours from New York City, I had my choice of more than 3 dozen campsites set up, ready to go by a company called Tenter. They're kind of like the Airbnb of glamping. That's right, glamorous camping. They make it so easy. They have firewood. They even have s'mores kits. All you do is pack your personal gear in a backpack, pack a picnic. If you want to get hot dogs or kebabs or something to cook over the open campfire, that's even more fun. And best of all, you can bring your dog.